The 11th participant in the Silva challenge is Mike from Mike's Mods and Customs. I'm gonna throw things together from, it looks like 3 little tubs that I've set out here. So let's see, we've got this, let's see, scoop this over a little. We've got this Ertl Gator 4x4. The wheels look great on this thing. Actually 6x4, obviously. Anyhow, this is kind of large, but maybe you can do something interesting with that. I don't know. That's kind of cool. That's an old majorette. I think I'm going to hang on to that one. I think part of this is figuring out what I'm going to hang on to and what I'm going to ship. That's an old matchbox. What's it say? SP gun? Something like that. That, okay. The barrel is... Well, you make the call on that one. I'm not going to say what I think is going on there. Let's just say it. It's glad to be part of the build. God, that's... I don't know what the heck that is. It's a Husky, but it's weird. It's perfect. Weird is good. Weird is good. This could be kind of science fiction-y. That's a Chaparral. That's a cool little casting. I've always liked that casting. Seems like I did one of those not too long ago. Or at least I planned to. What the... Yeah. I'm gonna try and keep it weird, but not get too crazy. Uh-oh, I gotta set that aside for me. I love that little casting. I can't think of the name of it off the top of my head, but I did one of those in a brown and beige, and it turned out really cool. I did the bare metal foil on the top. Gotta do another one of those. Yeah. I don't recall how many Gasland style or post-apocalyptic or science fiction builds you've done, Mike. So I'm hoping this is exciting for you and you have a lot of turbulence. That's kind of cool. You know, you could almost not do a lot to it and just give it a Blade Runner kind of style paint, and that could be really interesting. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to fit them in there too, kind of oddly. Let's go to a different tab here. Let's see. Eesh. You're a Camaro guy, as I remember, right? A Kidco 79 Z28. You know, you don't have to use all of these. Like I've said before, just one of the castings needs to be a major component in whatever you build. And you don't need to build multiple things. You can build just one. So whatever you decide to do with that Z28, I don't know if you'll keep it, clean it up, restore it, or what, but I'm thinking you're a Camaro guy, so you might like that. 55 Chevy sedan delivery. Marvel Mystery Oil. That's in pretty good shape. That's a nice looking car. Looks, oh yeah, the back actually opens on that. Huh. That's a green light. Okay, couldn't make it out that well. Yeah, that's a nice looking little car. Ooh, just what every Camaro guy needs. Yeah, it's a Z28. What's that say? Dragonfire. I don't know if you can make that out on the side in the gold. But you know, every challenge box deserves at least one completely fugly car and a plane. So there's the plane. We got that taken care of. That's in there now. Usually I have a forklift that I throw in too. That could come in handy. You can do something with that. You can make something out of that, I'm sure. Do you think that's a Target special? Oh, that's paint. Huh. That's a Racing Champions. Yeah, Ford Vicky. That's another actually nice looking casting. So I'm not just sending you weird crap like that, Mike. Although it may dominate. Jeez. Huh. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm not talking too much. Seem to be a little overwhelmed today. Let's grab another tub. Let's see, we gotta find some good. Yeah, that's Camaro. Yeah, that's another Camaro Z28. DWI enforcement, highway patrol. I don't know why the red on that does not. It wouldn't pass for a police car here in California. I can tell you that. Or at least most people would not be pulling over for that. Okay. Wasn't sure the lid was going to close on that. Huh. I don't know what the heck that's supposed to be. I mean, it's a tow truck, but yeah. I don't know, Mike. I know you have a ton of castings to work with as well. A 68 Cougar. Obviously that was started at some point, or was at least drilled out. Yeah, that'll fit. Part of the fun is getting it all wedged in there. Oh Lord. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. You may get rid of the dragon part, or just the engine's worth the casting alone, right? I don't want to screw up that Z28. You know, you have them in there working 1 minute, and then you put one in, and it screws everything else up. Yeah. It closes. Okay. I don't know, casting wise, that might be about it. Let's go with that for casting. Out of that, I found two I'm setting aside for myself. Selfishly. Let's throw in some big wheels. Smaller 3D printed wheels. Got some motorcycles, a couple motorcycles. Some engines. Those, the way they're cast onto this bottom, I think you'd have to cut them off. But hey, that's for you to figure out, Mike. Throw some other stuff, some barrels, pipes, rams, rockets. Throw some rockets in there, another barrel, another ram. Throw some more wheels and tires in here. Wheel spikes. Flamethrower. Yeah, flamethrower. You heard that right. Guns and guns and guns and more guns and more guns. Another barrel. I don't know, Mike, what do you think? Metal panels, panel. haven't 3D printed things for a while, so a lot of this stuff I printed a little while back, I really need to get back into resin printing. But for whatever reason, I just don't do it enough, and so I have problems with it that probably more practice would eliminate. But Mike, that's it. I hope you have fun with this. Have a blast. That's what it's all about. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there, and catch you in the next one.